my name is Lisa. Today I am opening up Postmark'd Studio December box. Postmark'd Studio is a monthly stationery club. This is the second time I've received it. Got it today. Came in a regular envelope with her little cute sticker on it. I opened it up just to take a look at all the goodies. I didn't look at everything. The first thing on top was this really cute cookie cutter of a Christmas tree. And it came with a note. Isn't that sweet? Note says, "Happy everything this holiday season, Anne." There we go. So she must do that for everybody, and I don't have one of these, so that's really cute. Thank you. She also includes postage. She included postage to mail 4 letters, and comes in a little envelope like this. It's vintage postage. And it's in all sorts of denominations. I don't know if you can see it. But do you guys remember this stamp? I haven't seen that stamp in so long. Same with this one, Christmas. When's the last time you saw one of those? So I love all the vintage postage. And it motivates you to use these cards right away because she included the postage. And then she included a stamp holder. Well, she calls it a stamp wallet. And it's just cardboard. It's nicely made. And you can put all your stamps in there. And she included some more vintage stamps inside, like that one. And you can just line up all your vintage stamps inside. So I thought that was cute. Then she included a postcard. And you know, the camera really doesn't do justice on how nice they feel and look. This postcard is by Quarter Letter Press. And then 3 homemade cards. This one has handmade paper, really pretty. And they're blank inside. It says, "Thinking of you." I don't know, I don't have a favorite. They're all really so pretty. And then the last thing, which I have not opened, was this little set right here. Just gonna slide it off. You might hear Jane meowing in the background there. It's her dinner time. This is all like very delicate. I mean, you have no choice to unfortunately rip the paper as carefully as you can if you want to use this paper for, you know, journaling or something. But it's really very fine tissue paper. I think I got everything, yeah. Oh, wow. Now it came a little bent on the corner, but it still looks really nice. I mean, it's hard to ship this without bending it, but it's 2 pieces of stationery and 1 envelope. And there's actually instructions on how to fold your paper to fit in the envelope if you need that. So this is really sweet. It smells good. I love the smell of paper and ink. So if I know someone who has a little doggy like that, then it'd be really cute to send them a letter with this stationery, which is by Rosy Elm Ridge papier. So that is the monthly box for December. I have 1 month more coming. It's kind of nice. They do show you what's coming in the upcoming months, and January doesn't look like my thing. So I'm going to see if I can skip the month of January and get February, because that would be my last month. I'll see if Annie will do that for me. But I will leave the details below if you want to subscribe to this really nice stationery products and box for, you know, if you like to write and stuff, or journal. It's good for that too. So let me know what you think in the comments. Would love to know your thoughts. Remember, like and subscribe. I love my subscribers, and I hope you're all doing very well today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.